Hello, everybody. I'm Ronan. This is Noam. We're from Zooz, and we're really excited to be here.
So we're almost the last demo of the day, and you guys must be pretty exhausted. Well, if it makes you feel any better, we're pretty tired after flying here 20 hours of flight from Tel Aviv to be here with you. And Ronan, you actually look really tired. Don't take this the wrong way, but I think you could use a cup of coffee right now.
Yeah, that's actually going to be great. But Noam, do you think this is the right time and place for it?
Well, you know what? Let's just try and buy coffee in a way that hasn't been bought before. And we want to do it through the demo of our very new product launched here today for the first time. So can we please switch to the iPad? Thanks. So what you see here is a banner ad in a normal weather app, and I'm sure you've seen many of these before. And now, when I tap this ad, instead of being redirected to a web page, requested to download an app, fill out a lead form, or anything like that, I'm just going to go through a complete checkout process. So here I can see the product, and I'm going to get coffee, obviously. Does a tall cappuccino work out for you?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay. Well, can I have your credit card number?
Sure, just a second.
Oh, wait. I don't need it because I guess I've already used this iPad before to shop on a different commerce app. So my credit card details are stored inside, and I can also see my previous payment methods. I'm just going to select one. Okay, looks like it's paid. All we have to do now is, enter the delivery address. We're just going to locate through the device GPS. Yep, that seems right. Okay, we're good to go. The coffee is on its way. And in case we blinked, what you've just seen is the Zooz in-ad payments. No, not in-app payments, but in-ad payments, enabling users to check out directly from within a mobile banner ad. And we believe that this is great news, not only for mobile users who can now shop seamlessly and more quickly, but especially to ad networks who can introduce new business models to replace the standard pay-per-click monetization models and get a much better conversion rate and much better experience. And this is actually just the latest innovation from Zooz, and it is based on the Zooz consumer-driven payment platform for mobile apps and sites. And what do we mean when we say consumer-driven? So there are some amazing solutions out there giving developers great APIs or giving merchants easy onboarding process, but giving somebody a great API doesn't really guarantee that the other person would create a great consumer experience on the front end. So what we want to do is give these merchants a complete checkout, enabling them to give their users the best possible experience and increase conversion rates. So let's just dig in deeper and see how it works. Ronan, can you show us?
Yeah, thank you, Noam. So what is Zooz? We supply SDK, a library, to merchant and app developers that want to accept payments inside their apps. So anyone that builds an app, a mobile website, a native Android, iOS app, and wants to accept payments, needs to go through a hassle of security and authentication, integration with all kinds of providers. We supply in a single SDK everything in one package, including the user experience, which we think is extremely important when it comes to mobile. So this is what you see here is a regular commerce app. It could be any shopping cart, any food ordering app, anything. So here's someone wants to buy some suitcase. Once you get to the checkout, that's when Zooz comes into play. I click the buy button. You see the payment options. They actually ask me how do I want to pay. We don't ask the user to create an account. We don't send the user to download an app, asking all kinds of questions, just how you want to pay immediately inside the app. Here you see a list of payment options that gives the user options to select from different providers and not just credit cards. And this list is not a simple list, it's a smart list. For example, in Russia, people don't use a lot of credit cards, they use Kiwi Wallet. So we will see the Kiwi wallet available in this list. While in the United States it's not relevant, so you won't see that. Let's see how we add a new credit card to this and pay with that. So this is the credit card screen, really simple, really minimal information. We are leveraging the data that we collect from all the apps that using our SDK, leveraging the data, how users pay with them, and we improve all the time our interface according to what we learn from this data. So let me add one card, really simple. Card is added, that's the only thing I'm asking from the user. It's all native experience, click the pay now, and payment is done, go back to the app and get my products. So this really simple SDK is that what we give to the merchants, but it's not just the UI, it's not just the payment user experience that you saw. We have also the actual processing in behind, optimizing that, the security layers. We develop a unique fraud detection, device-centric capability on that, where most fraudsters today don't try a single stolen card. They download a database of stolen cards. We are able to stop the user after the first card and stop him using all the other cards. So because we know the device, because we know who the user is, we can stop him doing that.
Thanks, Ronan. And what we've learned is that happy users are more likely to make it to the thank you page. And that makes our merchants extremely happy, some of them reporting an increase of up to 50% in conversion rates. And these are huge numbers. In Zooz, we believe that in order to provide these merchants with the best solution, we need strong partners. We're already working with dozens of processing acquirers, PSPs, and gateways, and we look forward to expand that network and, accept new partnership. So thank you for hearing us, and feel free to stop by our booth and hear more. Thank you.